Welcome back. NIT land issue is resolved. Government has already acquired land at Konkolam for the project. This assurance comes from Education Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. He also informed that government has identified 3 places for IIT campus in the state. Like NIT, land issue of IIT will also be resolved within a year.
NIT खातीर आमी जागा घेतली कुंकळे घेतले
बट अजून काय
जावना जातले आणि IIT-कूय आमी जागा सोदता ह्या वर्साच्यान जायना ह्या वर्साच्यान जायना फुडल्या वर्साच्यान प्रयत्नान आसा जागा मेळ्ळ्या शिवाय
NIT एक वर्ष लागतले काय
NIT याचा लगेच काम सुरू जाता हय हय आता फोंड्या सारकीच मध्यवर्ती जाय अशी ना पूण येदो कॅम्पस इतली जागा जी आहा पळय तितली जाय
आयडेंटिफाय बी केल्या प्लेस
आयडेंटिफाय 2-3 कडेन केले पूण जश्यो पयलीं जागा मेळटाल्यो आतां ते खंयच्या तरी कोमदानीन बीन आमकां मदत
सो विल इट बी अ रियलिटी इन गोवा विल इट बी अ रियलिटी इन गोवा
इट हैज टू बी विथ द टाइप ऑफ पीपल रनिंग गोवा इट हैज टू बी कितें ते जावंकूच जाय न केळी ती SEZाक दिल्ली आसा SEZाची ती लॉक जाल्या तांकांय कांय करूंक मेळना कितें जर हें जाता कॉम्प्रोमायज जाता
Marga Municipal Council meet turned chaotic over garbage issue. Chairperson claims shortage of bins and compactors a reason behind collapse of garbage collection system. He also pointed at the high-powered committee as ultimate decision-making authority. Activists termed councillors' arguments with chairperson over garbage issue and eyewash. Clash between lady activists and a sanitary officer further messed up the scene.
Of the government, I have got the councillor also. I want the councillor because councillor is also involved. This is not Gram Sabha. This is councillor is problem aate focus councillor are not supposed to answer everything. Take a high power committee. High power committee 15 members are there and they are all the top. See, Honorable Chief Minister is the chairman for that. Then Honorable Minister, UD Minister.
We asked them, tender kita pass kele of 3 crores for drains and gutters and the signboard galpa. Then that money can be used for garbage collection, for cleaning the roads, for buying compactors and all these things. They say chairperson also blames the HPC. They say amka power na. The HPC high power committee their decision kata hai. I don't see why high power committee should be involved in this in the first place. So we have told him that HPC meeting ji secretariat aha ti inga municipal hall you call the concerned person including the CM, you should come over here.
Give a say over there. This Viraj got up, pushed Nelson, and as I was behind him, he came and just pushed me. This is not the way an officer or anybody, being a lady, pushes. What is the exact meaning of pushing? It's either he's trying to show me his force or trying to show he doesn't have a care and a damn attitude of anybody. So I do not know how to imply it, whether it's molestation or whatever. That is left up to you all to decide. Look at the
Goa does not need new arts, science and commerce colleges for the next few years. A 9-member Madhav Kamath committee formed by the government has also recommended to examine evening and night colleges in arts and science. The government has approved recommendations of the committee. Committee has also suggested 6 new colleges with professional courses, educational hub and an educational estate. Committee has proposed educational estates in Penne, Ponda and Kankon Taluka.
9-member committee headed by Madhav Kamath to recommend a mechanism to consider application for the establishment of new colleges in state submitted their report to government in December 2014. Government has approved the report submitted by the committee. No need to start new arts, science and commerce colleges for next few years. Whole requirement of education in this domain is met adequately and satisfactorily in all parts of Goa. Existing grant and aid for arts, science and commerce colleges need to be strengthened on priority basis, and government should revise, rationalize, liberalize and implement new grant and aid pattern and non-teaching staff pattern. Committee has also recommended to start 6 new professional colleges in media studies, theatre studies, film studies, design, entrepreneurship, innovation and incubation, and integrated college of education. Committee recommends to set up educational hub and educational estate in Perne and Ponda and Kankorn. Committee recommends 3 community colleges in North, Central and South Goa with or without help of central government. State government does not wish to venture into this arena, then the community colleges as above shall be set up in private sector. Currently, Goa is running 19 commerce colleges, 14 arts and 9 science colleges. In other professional courses, 3 education, 2 law, each in music, home science and physical education. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Inmates of Sada jail are expected to be shifted to Kolwale jail within 15 days. Convicted Nuwe MLA Mickey Pacheco could be amongst them. Meanwhile, Principal and District Judge Nutan Sardesai held a meeting at Sada jail. She said that various measures were discussed to improve living conditions of 300 odd inmates in the Sada jail.
Shifting is proposed within 50 days. 15 दिवसा भितर जातले. ही बोर्ड ऑफ विजिटर म्हणून गव्हर्नमेंटान जी एक कमिटी केल्या अंडर चेअरमॅनशिप ऑफ प्रिंसिपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सेशन जज साउथ गोवा. ती प्रत्येक 3 महिन्यांनी मिटींग घेता हांगासर आनी रिव्यू करता हांगासर सगळे कितें डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स तिणें इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिले, आमी प्रपोज केले ते, आनी मेंटेनन्स कैद्यांचे प्रिजनरांचे कितें प्रॉब्लम्स आसता ते सगळे आमी हांगासर रिव्यू करता.
Improving their living conditions, the seepage that has to be taken care of. So different department persons come and we have the input from them.
Madam, the high-profile prisoner like you was going up for what reform in Mumbai. There are many other trials also for going down.
No, that the jail administration has to look into. No? Now that was that was a complaint which was made to me, and in the course of my surprise inspection, I happened to see it and confirm myself that he was not wearing an uniform. That was my observation. Yes, I do look into. I make periodic visits here. This is once in 3 months. Plus my surprise inspections are there from time to time.
It may be recalled that on July 4, 128 inmates from Aguada jail were shifted to the Kolwale jail, which is equipped with all the modern facilities. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Dine alongside with breathtaking monsoon view. Enjoy mouth-watering delicacies that will tickle your taste buds at the Palms. The multi-cuisine restaurant at Palmarina Resort, Kalangut. Try out some snacks, savories and desserts from our brand new bakery. Celebrate special occasion with a multi-purpose AC party hall or outdoor lawns. Escape with our special weekend packages starting at 2,250 rupees per person. We also accept party bookings. For booking, contact 9922966025 or 33. You can email us at info@palmarinaresort.com.
Fiddle Mission Professional, unique coaching academy for BCom students. 11th and 12th, BCom, CS, CA, CWA, 207, Gera Imperium 1, Pado Panji.
शुभ परिधान लेडीज वेअर, परवरी परिसरातील पहिलंच वातानुकूलित तयार कपड्यांचं दुकान. ग्राहकांची सोय व सेवा यासाठी ग्राहकांच्या पसंतीस असलेलं शुभ परिधान लेडीज वेअर. स्वस्त दरात चांगले व दर्जेदार कपडे, चुडीदार, कुर्ता, निरनिराळ्या डिझायनरांचे सलवार सूट्स, अनारकली ड्रेस व साड्या. नित्य वापरातील पार्टी व समारंभासाठी आणि ग्राहकांच्या मागणीनुसार कपडे उपलब्ध करून देण्याची हमी देतं शुभ परिधान लेडीज वेअर.
get things done right, you need an expert. That's why at IFB, we make sure your AC is installed by our product experts for an optimum and safe performance. IFB ACs. Free expert installation, always.